Yo guys, If you guys like my video, please like my video. Please like my video if you like my video, and subscribe. And I'm just here to show you guys some features. Oh yeah, and I'm so sorry. When I was recording, my hand got in the middle, and I cannot erase my hand, cause yeah. Wait, bro, the weather is so good. You guys want to see? Look at my weather. Ooh, that weather looks cool. Wow. Should I enter the video with that kind of weather? I should. That's kind of peaceful. Okay, well, I was here to tell you guys some features about the monster truck. So let me tell you guys some features about the monster truck real quick. So if you want the smoke coming out of here, you guys will need to fill up this thing, which you can put water inside. There's water inside there, as you may see. I don't know if you guys can see. There's water, and it somehow generates smoke from that water that you put. And if you put warm water, it will give you warm everything. And if you put cold water, it will give you cold. Let me just show you guys, because I did not show you guys everything. So this is the engine. Alright, this is a company you should buy it from. They sell original stuff only. And that's how the back bumper looks like. Alright. And of course the fully side angle, front side angle, and then the front angle. Bro, this thing looks like, hey, challenge me, bro. Yeah, so this is it. Guys, do not forget to like and subscribe. I'm a small creator. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as I said, I'm gonna end the screen with that. So yup.